Hello, it's Mrs. Aristodo here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to respond to an email. There are a few different ways that you can respond when somebody sends you an email. You can like it, you can reply to it, you can reply to many people, you could forward it, or do some more actions. We're going to talk about these 5 symbols. On the screen here, I have an example of an email on the display screen. At the top left-hand corner, you can see a little like button. It's a thumbs up. Now, you'll only see this when you are logged into the MIS gateway. It may look a little bit different if you're using your app on your phone or your iPad or a different type of email reader. So perhaps it's your Outlook on your computer rather than being in the MIS gateway. But if you are using the MIS gateway, which is this little section up here where you go to get your emails from the app launcher, you will see a like button. Now, if the email doesn't really call for a response and you don't necessarily need to send a reply, what you can do to show the sender that you have received the email and that you acknowledge it is by giving them a thumbs up. The next little tab along is a reply button. So in order to reply to an email, you click the reply button and it will bring up a blank canvas. Here is where you can reply to the sender. Hello, sender. Thank you for your email. Have a nice day. Or respond in whichever way is appropriate for you. Then click send. When you get a new email, it will pop up as a notification. In the MIS gateway, it pops up the top. If you're using a different type of Outlook browser, sometimes it will pop up down the bottom. The next one over here is reply all. Now just be careful of this particular button. Some people will accidentally click reply all when they don't mean to send a reply to everybody. Sometimes, so in this email here, you can see that there have been quite a few people in the email. It says more than 125 people. So if I was to click a reply all, then an email would get sent to everybody on the list, more than 125 people. If you intend to send an email to everybody that's part of that list, then you can click reply all. But if you just want to reply to the sender, make sure you're using the reply only button. The one that looks like an arrow pointing to the right is a forward button. So if you think that this particular email is going to be helpful or relevant for a friend, then you can forward it on to them. And finally, over here, we've got the ... The ... will bring up a list of other functions that we can do with this email.